Is the light bright? Well, and if you're a content creator to depend on just these lights, I would not recommend. This product can expand up to 71 centimeter. 71 centimeter. Stick chocolate. Also end it with the same button. A very good buy. Do recommend it. Use this product to its full length and let your phone on it. Be very careful, watchful, or your phone will fall and your screen will crack. Hey guys, we're back with another video. And guess what? It is the first of its kind on this channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. Please keep it going, keep it coming. If you're new here, my name is Glory Uzo and you're welcome to my channel. We create lifestyle content, vlogs, bits of every little thing. So thank you so much for stopping by. Please do make sure that this is not your last. So like I said earlier, today's video is one of its kind. When I mean it's one of its kind, it is one of its kind. Why? Because I'll be reviewing the selfie stick integrated tripod with selfie light. That's a lot of name for just this package, is it not? Well, it does a lot of wonders for how small it is. But we're getting right into it. So I'll be telling you guys the basic features of this product before I move right into my honest review and how to use it. This product can expand up to 71 centimeter. 71 centimeter. Okay, and it can shrink up to 18.5 centimeter. So it comes with a selfie light, a LED light, and also a wireless Bluetooth shutter. This product also comes with a USB cord that you can use to charge the selfie light. This product can act as your selfie stick or your tripod, and it is compatible with both iOS or Android. This brand I'll be reviewing is the SO3S. There are other brands like the L13D, RO5, K15, R15, and lots more. There are a lot of other brands. But the brand I'm going to be reviewing today is the SO3S. So guys, we're moving right into the next feature, the next thing, not even feature, the next thing. We're moving right into the next thing. So my honest review and also how to use this product. The selfie stick is actually 70 centimeter. It's actually 70 centimeter when used as a selfie stick, and 67 centimeter when used as a tripod. So it's not 71 centimeter, it's 70 centimeter as a selfie stick and 67 centimeter when used as a tripod. And of course, it can also shrink up to 18.5 centimeter. I'm going to be inserting pictures and videos so you're going to understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to attach the measurements. So if you're looking for an extremely extended tripod stand, I will not recommend. So just now I've given you guys the whole tea about the length. So you will not go and buy it and be saying, it is not long. It is not as long as you want. But if you're looking for like a table stand, phone holder, this is actually very, very perfect for it. If you're looking for, like your table now, your reading decks or something, you're just looking for like a tripod for it, this is actually perfect for it. It is very much perfect for it, and I'm going to recommend it for that. But if you're looking for an extended distance, no, I will not recommend this. When you use this product to its full length and you place your phone on it, I'll recommend that you be very careful and watchful, or your phone will fall and your screen will crack. I'm not like trying to curse you guys or something, but this is just weighing 0.18 kg. So if you know your phone has weight, just be very, very watchful of how you place it on this, because when you extend it, there's really no much weight on this, because it can if breeze blow it like this, it will fall and it will crack and your phone will break. You get, so just be extremely careful where you place this on, and also be watchful that where you place it on is not a slopey or just make sure it's not slopey, like, okay, yes, at least there's some balance where you place this on, at least, so you can use this for a very long time and you will not cry about your phone breaking. You get if you don't get it. The selfie stick comes with a 220-degree front and back movement, and a 360-degree side rotation. The next feature I'll be reviewing is the Bluetooth shutter. This is the wireless Bluetooth shutter. So this is the wireless Bluetooth shutter. I'm going to insert video of how to operate this, I'm going to insert a video for this. To remove the Bluetooth shutter from the tripod, you just slide it out gently. So if you want to connect this shutter to your device, you just take your device, you go to your settings, you go to your Bluetooth and you switch it on. There's a camera icon button on the shutter, so you long press it until this blue light shows, and then you see the name selfie come, and then you press it and it connects automatically. After connection, you go to your camera app on your device, and then you press the camera icon button on the shutter when you want to take your pictures or your videos, and it just clicks automatically. To disconnect your shutter from the device, you just go to your Bluetooth, long press the button on your shutter until it blinks 3 times, and then it's switched off, and then you're disconnected. And this shutter is non-rechargeable, so make sure you don't charge it. If not, I think it's going to explode or something, but it's not rechargeable. So if this battery, there's a battery inside, the CR1632 battery. So if the battery dies, you just buy another one. I'm going to put a link in the description box on how you can get these products from Jumia. I'm also going to put the name somewhere around the screen. I got this for another Bluetooth shutter. This is the CR2032. So the battery is something like this. So I'm going to insert a link for it. So if your battery here dies, you just get another one and insert, and it's good to go. This is actually a very good idea, because I seriously do recommend it, and that's what I use. You can this shutter now, you can use it to take your pictures by yourself. You don't have to put set timer and you run and stand. You can just set your phone anywhere you want. Set your phone here, move to the back, and just pose. You get, and that's just how easy it is. You don't have to be going to meet your phone or having to beg someone to take your pictures for you or take your videos for you. Yes, all you have to do is press the shutter, connect it to your phone. I'm sure you must have seen the video by now. Connect it with your phone, and once you press it, your video starts, picture clicks, and you can also end it through the same button. You get. So this is a very good buy. This is a very good concept, and I definitely do recommend this. So, onto the next feature, the selfie light. Is the light bright? Well, no. And if you're a content creator and you just want to depend on just these lights, I will not recommend. I'll advise you just use this as an addition, because of course no light is useless. You get, even the small light is important when you want to brighten up your place. So I'm going to insert a video of how bright this light looks at night, so you're going to know what you're getting. And this is how you connect your USB cord to it. This is how you connect your easy USB cord for your charging it. It's rechargeable, so you just recharge it, and when you want to use it, you switch it on without having to like direct it correctly. It has an inbuilt battery for this. Like it's 4th of July, so I'm good, even live my life for the other night. So this selfie stick integrated tripod with selfie light is a very good buy, and I recommend. I bought this for 4,421 naira on Jumia, and I'm going to insert the link in the description box. I'm going to insert the link for this product, this SO3S product, and also any other product I find. I'm also going to insert the link in the description box. I got this in January and this is April, so of course expect a slight change in prices, but it's just a slight change in prices. I'm very sure of that. So expect a slight change in prices. This product is a very good buy and I do recommend it. I've been using this for like that's like 3-4 months now, and I've been enjoying it so far and I don't regret this. Just make sure you handle this carefully with care. It's small, but it's really portable and it's really nice. So just make sure you handle this product with care. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and share this link with your family, your friends, and your enemies. You don't know who this video might help. If you have used this product before, or you have used a different product, or you have an opinion about this product, or you even have questions, please drop them in the comment box, because I'm going to be right there to answer each and every one of your questions. So please drop them there because I'm going to be there. And if you have used this product before, did you enjoy it? Did you not enjoy it? Are you enjoying it? Please drop them below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.